Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today I'm gonna show you how I made this pan fried potatoes with lots of garlic and butter. So let's go ahead and get to the recipe. Super delicious. So for this recipe you're gonna need potatoes. You can use any type of potatoes you want. I wanted to use the little potatoes, but feel free to use big potatoes and just cut them into wedges or just dice them. So we're gonna go ahead and boil the potatoes for until they're cooked, because since my potatoes are pretty small, they didn't take that long to cook. They took about 15 minutes and they were ready to use. So go ahead and cook your potato with lots of salt. Well, actually not a lot of salt, a little bit of salt, because we're gonna add more stuff into this. So just a little salt, and go ahead and boil them on high heat. And after your potato has boiled, go ahead, drain the water, and we're gonna smash it just once. Go ahead and do that to all of them. That is gonna cause it to have the crispy edges, and that's what we want, the crispy edges. So after you've done smashing your little potatoes in a pan, add some olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And make sure you do this on medium high heat. So once the oil is hot, go ahead and place your potatoes, your little potatoes, in the pan. So after you've placed your potatoes in the pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our chopped garlic, minced garlic. I'm using a lot of garlic for this recipe, hence garlic potatoes, garlic and butter. So go ahead now and add your garlic. So the garlic is gonna give it really good flavors, and the garlic is gonna be frying the same time as the potatoes. So that's gonna give the garlic too a little. The garlic's also gonna be a little bit crispy, and has that golden brown color. It's gonna be beautiful. So go ahead and give it a stir. And we're also gonna add some black pepper. I love grounding my own black pepper because I feel like it tastes better than the other stuff, prepackaged stuff. That's just my personal preference, but use whatever you have. And after that, I am also using this roasted garlic and herb seasoning from McCormick. I think it's from McCormick. Just a little bit, like a teaspoon. You just want it to have some flavors, so because it's mostly herbs and butter. And some basil leaves and some oregano leaves. Just about half of a teaspoon, not even half of a teaspoon, because this is a little bit of potatoes, so 1/4 of a teaspoon of basil leaves and oregano. Give it a stir to make sure everything is coated, everything is seasoned. And now we're gonna add some butter. I am using Irish butter. You know I love me some Irish butter. So I am using unsalted Irish butter. So if you plan on using salted butter, I would suggest that you go very light on the salt. Okay, but still cook your potatoes with salt. Just go very light. So my butter is unsalted. So this is why I kind of added a little bit of salt. So I just added my chopped rosemary, and I'm also adding thyme. I'm using fresh herbs. This is going to the flavor is just gonna be atomic. It's just gonna be amazing because it's fresh herbs. Okay, and you guys, this is the recipe. This is it. After you add the butter, leave it on the heat for like a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and this is it. I really hope you guys like this recipe. It was pretty quick and easy, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. I hope you enjoy this dish. Thank you for watching.